the purpose of this brief is to communicate our position on in which members of the media were assaulted by our forces in their line of duty. That incident is regrettable, and I want to take this opportunity to extend my apologies to those friends of ours who were assaulted. I made to understand that these included Cliff Wamala from NTV, Joseph Sabiti from MBS, Rashid Nakai from Galaxy FM, Timothy Murunji from Vision Group, Irene Abalo, Daily Monitor, Josephine Namakumbi, NBS, and Jeff Tresige, NTV. The excesses exhibited were not sanctioned, nor were they justified. The UPDF cares and recognizes the importance of a smooth partnership with the media and, of course, the population, our bedrock. Therefore, we would be the last people to target journalists or anyone for that matter in an illegitimate way. Appropriate action will therefore be taken against the identifiable culprits, and you will be accordingly informed. Never mind that it has come in this way. So this is what I called you for. We shall take action, and it shall be communicated to you in a good time. Thank you.